God lives in heaven. And they say that he has no hands, no feet, but your feet and my feet. Therefore, this is really a result of our common effort in manifesting God in our community. Amen?
Amen.
But I think of all of us, Fray Antonio is a right hand. Because without him, we would not be here.
Amen.
The man is able to see a way where there is no way. The man believes in the God of the impossible. The man knows that with God, nothing is impossible. So many obstacles came. He never gave up. Please join me in a round of applause for him. And of course, along with all the community members, as the Bishop of Montenegro, Fray Antonio, community, I can never thank you enough. Only God can thank you and bless you. And for us as a diocesan family, may we recognize and appreciate what a gift that we have in this community in our diocese. Amen?
Amen.